In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add appointment booking to Squarespace for free. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking page connected to your site without adding extra tools or code. Start by opening your Squarespace site and heading to the Pages panel in your site editor. This is where you manage the structure of your site. In the navigation, look for the Scheduling section. Squarespace provides a built-in scheduling area that ties directly into your services and availability. Select the Book Appointment option, then open the Book an Appointment page. This is the ready-made page that displays your services and time slots to visitors. Enter Edit mode on that page, and then choose Edit section. This lets you control how the section looks and behaves. Go to Background, then open the color settings. Choose a light, high-contrast palette such as Lightest 2. Light backgrounds typically improve readability for forms and calendars, which is important when someone is choosing times and entering details. If your brand uses darker palettes, you can switch later, but keep an eye on contrast so buttons and labels stay easy to see. Next, adjust the typography. Use the AA controls to fine-tune headings, subheadings, and body text. The goal here is clarity. Make the page title strong enough to anchor the page, keep subheadings readable, and ensure body text is comfortable on both desktop and mobile. If you're unsure, go slightly larger rather than smaller. Booking forms benefit from generous spacing and legible type. Move over to the Design options for the section. From here, access View Layouts to browse layout presets. Select a simple text layout so you can provide a concise description above your booking calendar. Think a 1 or 2 sentence intro plus any key policies, like cancellation timing or what to prepare for the appointment. Keeping this area minimal helps visitors focus on the booking form while still getting essential context. When everything looks right, click Save. That publishes your changes to the live site. Take a moment to preview the page and scroll through it as a visitor would. If your scheduling is already configured with services, durations, and availability, you should see the booking interface ready to go. If not, you can set up those details in your scheduling settings, and they'll automatically appear on this page. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Check the page on mobile to confirm text sizing, and buttons are easy to tap, and make sure your time zone and confirmations are correct in scheduling. With that, your Squarespace site now has a clean, free appointment booking